Today we talk about how can you add or change your phone number on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. When you click on this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, and you click here on account settings. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video. So it's going to take a time to open video here, and you click here on sign in and security. So then come to this list, you click here on phone number, and you come to this list here. Then here you click on add phone number here. So then here can you add here your code from your email. Then you click on send. Then it's going to take you to change or add your phone number. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.